This Highbrain LCD digital microscope combines a generous 7-inch rotating display with a 12-megapixel sensor to deliver crisp, comfortable close-up viewing for long sessions at the bench or desk. Magnification that reaches up to about 1,200 times, helped by adjustable 8-light-emitting diode illumination, makes it easy to pull out fine detail in coins, circuit boards, rocks, and other small subjects. The sturdy metal stand and base feel stable enough for delicate soldering work, so components stay in focus while you manipulate tools underneath the lens. Being able to connect directly to a personal computer on both major desktop operating systems gives you a larger viewing area and straightforward ways to capture, store, and share images for study or documentation. The menu system and controls are simple to learn, which makes this microscope approachable for curious kids, students, and hobbyists who want to explore the microscopic world without a steep learning curve. Overall build quality, from the aluminum alloy frame to the flexible lighting and rotatable screen, makes this a versatile and durable choice for electronics repair, collecting, and general inspection tasks.